Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial using some of our brand new stamps. We have this lovely card here that I'm going to be recreating today. We've got our lovely mouse and our lanterns here. We're going to be using the PanPastels, and this is on a grey card again. So you can see how lovely they work on the grey card, and that's just using the PanPastels as a background. So let's just pop that to the side and get started. I've got the white PanPastels here, and I'm just going to start by just in a small area in the middle, almost like a spotlight really. And then I'm going to gauge really where these lamps are going. So I'm going to pop a little bit of yellow light here and probably somewhere around there as well. Don't worry too much if you get it wrong, but if you do it big enough, I'm sure it'll catch it somewhere. Let's now ink up in our VersaFine Clair and pop that down, lining up where the yellow is with our lamp, and press down. Okay, perfect. So now we need our other lamp. And again, we shall ink up, and we can pop that just over the yellow again. So taking a piece of paper, I'm going to just tear the edge, or you can use one of our masks. If you're not confident to do this, then just use our mask. That makes life so much more simple, doesn't it? So I'm going to grab one of our smaller stencil brushes, and then remembering that we're creating a snow effect, so the dark area needs to be above the mask. Now, a lot of you probably get that, but the amount of times I've done it wrong, I don't know whether you have. You've put the mask the wrong way up. Anyway, I'm sure some of you have experienced it. It's not just me, maybe it is. So I'm just adding a little bit of depth down here at the bottom now. Now you can see how that automatically makes this bit lighter, which would be the snow, yeah? I'm going to add some posca over the top of that when we're finished. But for now, I'm going to stamp using some of our foliage. I've got Shady Lane here, and we've got one of our new spruce stamps. And I'm literally just going to pop just a little up on the side there, maybe a little branch on the other side. Just adding a little bit of greenery up, just to pull your eye into the centre there. We do have our other little branch as well, and I'm going to pop one or two about. Let's pop those to the side and think about what we're doing next. I'm going to take some of our Mondelez pencils, and I'm going to colour in our little friend here. Give him a little bit of colour. I want to keep the front of him quite light because this is where the light is going to be. So this area here will be lit up, yeah? This part here will be in the shade. So we can go darker towards the back and lighter towards the front. Just give them a little bit of a pink ear. Okay, now I've got my glitter posca pen here. This is the yellow, which is a great sort of glittery gold effect. I think it's actually nicer than the gold. A little bit of that around the edge of the lamp as well. I'm hoping you can see that under the camera, but it looks really pretty. And we've got our white pen. And again, I'm just going to touch the very, very edge. And you see how that just pops out. And pop a little bit on his ear as well. That's nice because it's very fine nib. And I'm just colouring in, not all of the dots because some of them are so tiny, but just a few of them. And then taking our red posca, and we're going to add a few little berries just to bring in a little bit of colour. I mean, that's up to you. And now let's go back to our white posca, which is a slightly thicker nib. Now we don't need to put loads of snow, but just one or two flakes looks quite nice. Looks like it's just starting to snow. And then I'm going to use some of this relief paint. Okay, it's really, really lovely. It's very thick, but the nib on it is super, super fine, and it dries three-dimensionally. It's great for a snow effect, you know. So almost done. I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter over the top of that relief paint now, and that will automatically stick to it. Tap that off, and there we have it. I think that was quite a quick, easy card to make actually, and great Christmas card. I love a winter card. So I've got two different ones here, both, you know, different in their own ways. No two cards are ever the same, are they? So, but you can change up the colour. You can do whatever you want. You could do this on white card. You can do it on cream card, but I think it looks really effective on the grey card. Right guys, thank you so much for joining me again today. Hope you enjoyed today's demonstration, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.